Hi, my name is Brandon Stone, and welcome to this 5-minute biohazard remediation and hoarding cleanup training clip. If you're interested in working in this multi-million-dollar industry, please take a few minutes to view our full course at biohazardcourse.com.
Today, what did you get yourself into?
Yeah, good morning. Yeah, we got ourselves into a good one. It's a cat hoard. Over 60 cats were taken out of this home. That doesn't include the dead ones that they found. The house it's bad. It's one of the worst ones I've ever been in.
And how many dumpsters do you think you're going to use on this job?
Probably 4, maybe 5, but I think we'll be around 4 is where we're going to be at.
So it looks like there's a lot of contamination with cat feces and urine. Do you think you're going to be able to do anything with the odor?
Probably not completely with the odor. We are going to use a liquid barrier. We're going to tear out the walls. We're going to seal what we can. But the homeowner is also going to have to get the HVAC system cleaned out completely. Over in this area, I was looking down in one. It's just cat feces, dog feces, everything down in there. The room that we're in right now, the floor is screwed. And we got to stop for a minute. My alarm's going off. So the room that we're in, the subfloor is ruined. It's not even the subfloor, it's hardwood underneath there. That's probably going to have to come out. As I stated, the HVAC system is going to need to be cleaned out of this too. They're going to have to paint it. I mean, there's a lot of rehab work that's going to go into this. The further along we get, we're going to see more and more damage, so I'll keep the client informed about that. But as you can see, most of the time in a hoard, we don't go in biosuits, but we are in the suits, masked up. Once the feces all over starts going in, we'll be in respirators as well. But this has got to be ranks up there top 5 jobs, worst jobs, filthiest jobs I've been at.
I noticed you look a little bit taller in this house. How deep or how thick would you say the feces is throughout this flooring?
I'm standing on about 5-6 inches of it, so I'm roughly just around 5'10". So yeah, I gained some height, towering over Dennis now. So.
All right, well, good luck to you guys.
Yeah,
appreciate it.
Thank you.
With this front door, that's definitely going to make it big.
It's gonna help. It's gonna help a lot, man.
Yeah,
Especially
especially with
going
all this
around and
furniture.
through there, through the fence. At least we can go out this door.
Yeah.
So these chairs can go. I haven't noticed any like needles or anything, guys.
I
just
haven't
keep it
either.
in mind, though. I mean,
Yeah, I haven't seen any
Almost
needles, but it doesn't mean
every damn house we're in. I mean, there's almost
I
bound
swear.
to show up.
I know. It seems like it's a never failing problem.
You know.
You
Get the
this.
hazards.
Ooh, wee. That's amazing.
We'll grab this and pull it out real quick.
Oh, it's like sort of like a monopod,
Yeah, it's
like a camera or something.
no, it's broke, dude.
No,
I think it was broke.
I think it's for your mom.
Oh, fuck that. This is for a rake. it was a rake.
Oh, so it's probably for that.
It might have been, yeah. It was like, yeah. Well, tell you what it is now. It's garbage, is what it is now.
It's garbage. I was just sort of jerking this guy out.
Yeah, man. No, it's good. I mean,
Yeah. If you're
this one's gonna be a bitch.
feeling froggy, yeah, you got to lay it down. We'll get more in right
Yeah. There we go. Really watch that door.
Oh my god.
The door's not really going to be an issue.
Yeah. This is even better. Handle over here.
You okay?
Yeah, good.
All right. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that mechanized one, the motorized,
Yeah, this one.
it sucks, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's okay. You know what?
Sit it down and then wrap it out.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna wrap it right around this freaking corner.
That's not gonna shrink.
That's unless
Because it's out.
yeah. It's, I'm thinking there's some sort of release valve for this.
Yeah, there would be, but it's probably stuck, rusted all the shit. So, how about this? Bring it back in.
Break it.
Maybe, but I'm thinking maybe take that in out first.
Yeah, we can try it. See how it works. Maybe. Of course. Hey, of course. Hey, there's my idea.